Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a shirt in Photoshop. Start by selecting the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar on the left. With this tool, carefully select the shirt. If needed, zoom in by holding down the Alt key and scrolling the mouse wheel up to get a closer view and refine your selection. Adjust your brush size by pressing the bracket keys. As you select the shirt, you might accidentally include parts you don't want, like an arm. To fix this, hold down the Alt key and click on the areas you want to deselect. Continue adjusting until you have a good selection of just the shirt. Once you're satisfied with the selection, look for the circle icon at the bottom right of the screen and click on it. From the options that appear, choose Gradient Map. This will apply a gradient to your image. Now, click on the gradient bar to open the gradient editor. You'll see two color stops at the bottom. Click on the first color stop to choose a new color for the shirt, such as red. Do the same for the second color stop. After setting your colors, click OK to apply the changes. In the drop-down menu that says Normal at the top of the Layers panel, change this to Soft Light or Overlay to achieve the desired effect. You can always go back to the gradient map and tweak the colors if needed. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.